Hello everyone. We are going to walk through the equation for a circle and how you can figure that out from a circle or from a point. So for starters, the equation for a circle is simply going to be x squared plus y squared, and it's going to be equal to whatever the radius of a circle is squared. And that's really all there is to it. In future lessons next year, you're going to see where they move the circles off the origin. That changes things slightly. But for everything you're doing for this week, all your circles are centered at the origin. And so you're just going to have an x squared, a y squared, and then you have to find out the number that would be the radius. So really straightforward. This first problem they give us, they say, what's the equation for this circle? Again, we start with x squared and y squared. The radius it shows us right here is 3. So then 3 squared would be 9, and here's my answer. All there is to it. Now, on some of these problems, they don't tell you what the radius is supposed to be, and so you have to figure that out. Sometimes it's really clear what the radius would be. So you would just say, okay, well, if it goes from 0 to 8, obviously the radius is 8. So the same idea. And then 8 squared would be 64. All there is to it. The ones that are a little more work, but just as straightforward, problems like this right here. So now they tell you that you have a circle. It's centered at the origin, and it's going through a point at -4, 3. So then the idea would be, if it's going through this point, I can make myself a right triangle, like that. If it's going over -4, that means it's a distance of 4. It's going down 3, that's a distance of 3. So then to find x, I would just use the Pythagorean theorem. So I would say a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. That's 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. And the square root of 25 would be 5, so c equals 5. Once I have the radius, just go back to the same thing. The radius is 5. 5 squared is 25. So the equation for this circle is that.